congee with pork bones and dried scallops. It looks so yummy. There is some dried scallops and then only $30 na pork bones. So it's very easy. So you see my rice, there is a brown rice. Pork buns. So very easy. Scald ko muna yung pork bones and then tinapon ko yung tubig at pinalitan ko at saka nilaga ko siya na makita ko medyo malapit-lapit ng malambot. So nagugas ako ng bigas at nilagay ko together. So ayan na guys. So yung dried scallop ko naman ay binabad ko sa tubig at saka nilagay ko na rin, hindi ko na siya ginisa.